Big fluffy sheep. Once upon a time in a green meadow, there was a big fluffy sheep named Snowflake. Her wool was soft and white like freshly fallen snow. She loved to play hide and seek with her friends, hiding behind trees and bushes. One day, while playing, she found a little lost lamb who had strayed from its flock. Snowflake took the lamb under her wing and showed it how to find delicious grass to eat. Together they played and ran until the sun began to set. As the sky turned pink and orange, Snowflake led the lamb back home to its mother. From that day on, Snowflake became known as the kindest sheep in the land.